because of that post of the TNVS driver on social media, so many people reacted, no? And unfortunately, maraming kumbaga they rode on the bandwagon at maraming mga malalaswang mga comments, no? At pumatol na naman, sinasagot nga, sabi ni Ricky, ng driver. So, imbis na sana it stopped with the comment of the driver, so many people engaged. Now, si Sanil Manabat, bilang siya yung biktima, ano po ang laban niya sa TNVS driver lamang? Ang hirap naman nakasuhan, lahat yung po mga nag-comment at na-offend sa kanya. Sikat na artista rin yon. So, paano po yun? How does she protect herself also?
Yeah, first you can sue under the batas, itong bawal bastos law. You can sue the owner of the vehicle. You can sue the owner of the franchise, no? Kunyari, Grab franchise. You can sue them. Kasi kawawa naman yung victim. Kung hahabulin yung driver, kung minsan magtatago na yung driver or walang pera for damages. No?
Yeah.
So dito sa batas natin, because it has gone viral to social media, then there is kasi sa batas na to, may presumption of negligence ang employer. May presumption, di ba normally sa criminal laws, presumption of innocence, no?
Oo.
Dito, presumption of guilt.
Oh.
You have to prove that you're innocent. Innocent meaning that you exercise due diligence in choosing your employees. You exercise a zero tolerance policy, pinag-seminar mo, yung mga drivers mo, mga ganyan, no? Is showing dapat that you were not negligent in choosing and supervising your employees, no? Kung hindi mo naman employees, Grab-based, may responsibility ka pa rin. Because it's not necessary. An employer-employee relationship is not necessary. Kaya nito yung app-based, no?
Yeah.
Oo,
Okay.
Covered yan sa batas.
Sa batas.